a stop, reaching over the steering wheel, pulling it down. Let the wheel spin back. Let's do a right-hand turn with the push-pull from the 8-4 position. From down here, I'm simply going to push the wheel up and pull down to complete the turn. Palm the wheel, maintain contact, and walk it back. It's best to maintain contact when you recover the steering wheel rather than let it spin. But I'll show you what that looks like. Always look over your shoulder as you're coming around. Walk the wheel back as the car straightens out.